I rented a car, and within 15 minutes, the car is giving me problems. Like, what would you do? So let's cut to the math. If I rent a car through my normal channels at the larger agencies, it would cost me $630 to rent a car for that week. It's actually 8 days. Using TURO, I could rent a car for $279 a day for 8 days. I'm like, man, that's like half off. But I got a little weary because it is a new company, so I did add the minimum insurance on top of that, which is $80. And then they charged me a trip fee of $42.49 plus sales tax of $36.12. That comes to a grand total of $437.61. That would be a savings of $192.39. I mean, like, let's go. So there's a lot going on here. So I'm driving the car and it feels like it doesn't have any power. You know, if you drive a stick, it's almost like you start off in the wrong gear and it's just not enough torque to move the car forward. Looking down, I'm in the right gear, like everything's working right. And then all of a sudden the check engine light starts coming on. I get an audible sign in the car, boop, 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 boop. I'm on these dark roads. I mean, it's like 10 o'clock at night. So at this point, I'm like, you know what? I don't need this crap. Now I have to figure out an exit plan. So 10 o'clock at night, I'm not going to be able to return the car back to the owner and go to a regular rental agency and get another car. Like, am I taking a cab? Like, my ride is 90 minutes. It's an hour and a half to get to my destination. So then I called the owner of the car and he's like, yeah, it might be a clogged fuel injector. You should be okay. What? That night, it was me, the BB car, a lot of deer, and a whole lot of praying going on. But I made it to my destination. And because of that little one technical issue, I'll probably never use TURO again. When I'm on the back roads and I'm running through the woods, again, it's me, my car, and the deer. Yeah, I don't need any issues. Like, I don't need a car to putt-putt. I don't need a car to pretend like it's going to stop. I need something that is reliable to get me from the airport to my country destination. That's it. So, yeah, I saved a couple of dollars, but in the grand scheme of things, a couple of dollars is not worth my security on these dark behind roads. All right, everyone, I appreciate you all for watching, and hopefully your experience with TURO is different from mine.